Hello guys, this is MuscledRider and welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to record the DIY video of how to fix the chain slack of the motorcycle in just under 10 minutes, especially the Dominar 400. So let's get started with the video. So the first step, we will be requiring some tools to get started with it. So here are the tools which we will be requiring for the chain adjustment. So the first step, we will be loosening up the bolts of the swing arm. While loosening the bolts of the swing arm, I am using the 22 size spanner for loosening the big bolt on the right side of the bike, and on the left side I am using the 17 number spanner for holding the bolt. So after doing that, the second step is we want to pull the tire back so that it removes the chain slack and the chain gets tighter as we pull the tire back. So for pulling the tire back, we are going to use these two spanners, and this way we are going to pull the tire back. So we have to do the exactly same way as we have done on the right side. So I would recommend using this markings. This will make your life much easier while adjusting the chain. This markings must be similar on the both side. It is not compulsory that you have to use the exact same setting or the exact same markings as I am using, because it might depend on you, your sprocket setting, etc. Much factors are included in that, but always allow some play for the chain so that it don't ruin the sprocket or it doesn't break in the very hard downshifts, etc. So here we have adjusted the chain, and now it's time to tighten up the bolts once again, holding the left side bolt with the 17 number spanner and tightening the bolt with the 22 number spanner on the right side. So here we have adjusted the chain. So it's an easy DIY. Hope you found this video useful. If you want to watch more travel videos, more car POV videos, more of such videos, do subscribe to the channel. I will meet you guys in the next vlog. Till then, ride safe and drive safe.